Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about a dog proposed film, but first some information. The year of the film was 2017 and the movie directed by Lasse Hallström and the major actor was a dog called Bailey.
But when it reincarnates into other dog life has different names. First name was Bailey, then Ellie, Tino, Waffles and Buzz. I have seen the film and in my opinion it's an excellent film because a dog purpose teaches us that dogs are our best friend and fellow companions who will always be by our side. The story starts when Bailey begins to narrate his life, and it was to discover the purpose of his life by teaching how to love and love human beings. Young boy called Ethan and his mother, who rescued him from his stroke. Ethan and Bailey had fun times. Years pass, and over the summer, he meets Hannah. They spend their summer happy together. Ethan is offering a full scholarship to Michigan State, but for a problem badly fracturing his left and ending his athletic scholarship. Then he falls into depression and breaks off his romance with Hannah. Bailey, Dad, and Ethan feel very sad. In this part, it's really sad. When me and my parents were watching the film, we were crying. The dog reincarnates into other dog life. The dog learns something from each life. It meets again with Ethan, and it convinces Ethan that he is beloved childhood pet.
Well, the dog learned us that the life is about having fun, save others, not getting caught in the past, and living for today. I like it so much the movie, and I recommend that you see A Dog Propose. Bye.